In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Google Meet. If you've ever been distracted by pings and pop-ups during a meeting, this quick walkthrough will help you create a calmer, more focused experience. We'll keep things simple and make sure you know exactly where to find the right switches so you can silence those alerts without affecting the core features you rely on. First, open Google Meet. You can do this in your web browser by going to the Google Meet site or by launching it from your Google Apps. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your personal settings. This guide focuses on the desktop experience since that's where the controls are most consistent and easy to find. Once you're in Google Meet, look to the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Settings panel. This is where Meet stores all your personal preferences for audio, video, and alerts. If you don't see the gear immediately, make sure you're on the main Meet home screen rather than inside a meeting window. In the Settings panel, find and select the Notifications section. It may appear in a sidebar or within a tabbed view, depending on your version, but it will be labeled clearly. This is the hub for controlling what kinds of messages Google Meet is allowed to show or send while you use the service. Now turn off chat notifications. Toggle the chat notifications switch to the off position. This silences the on-screen banners and sounds that appear when people post messages in meeting chats. With this off, you won't get interrupted during a presentation or while you're taking notes. You can still open the chat manually whenever you want to read messages on your own terms. If you see email notifications here, turn those off as well. Not every account shows this option, but if it appears, switching it off helps prevent follow-up emails tied to meeting chat activity. This way, you're not catching surprise messages after the call ends. With those toggles off, you've effectively stopped most message and meeting chat alerts from breaking your concentration. Your meetings will continue to function as normal, and you can re-enable notifications at any time by returning to the same settings. That's all there is to it. Open Google Meet, click the gear icon to access settings, go to notifications and turn off chat notifications and, if available, email notifications. Enjoy a quieter workspace and more focused calls.